Could AI layoffs in the UK trigger civil unrest? 2026. Could AI layoffs in the UK trigger civil unrest? 1 in 5 Brits believes this could happen, raising urgent concerns about social stability as automation advances rapidly. Find out why this matters now. Recent data shows that 20% of Britons fear that job losses caused by AI automation might lead to civil unrest. This statistic highlights growing public concern as AI technologies become more capable of replacing human roles across industries. Such fears reflect deeper worries about economic inequality and the pace of technological change outstripping social safety nets. Industries like manufacturing, retail, and certain administrative roles are especially vulnerable to AI-driven job cuts. These sectors employ millions of Britons who may suddenly find themselves out of work. The potential scale of displacement feeds into fears about social unrest, as those affected might struggle to find new employment quickly enough. The economic implications are significant. Even a modest increase in layoffs due to AI could overwhelm social support systems. This could lead to heightened tensions in communities already facing economic hardship. Experts warn that without proactive measures, these pressures might escalate into protests or broader civil unrest. The UK government and businesses must act quickly to manage the transition. This includes investing in retraining programs and creating new job opportunities in emerging sectors. Addressing the public's fears openly can help prevent unrest and ensure AI benefits society broadly rather than deepening divides. For individuals, understanding how AI might impact your job sector is crucial. Upskilling and exploring new career pathways can help you stay ahead. Being engaged in community discussions about AI and employment policies also empowers you to influence a fairer future. What this means for you is clear. As AI continues to change how work is done, you could face job uncertainty or know someone who does. Staying informed and proactive will help you navigate these challenges. Subscribe now to stay ahead on how AI impacts your life and community.